Are you a baby boomer trying to start a YouTube channel and you find yourself doing more consuming of content than creating? Well, I've been doing the same thing, and I feel like my mind is all jumbled up with so many ideas and so many thoughts, and it's so much harder to, stay to your own true north and, you know, to figure out what you really want to film and what you really want to talk about when you're filling your mind with all these other topics and subjects, and they're all good. But what you really need to do is create more than consume. And that's what I'm committing to this week because it seems like over the weekend I've done a lot of consuming and really no creating. And it just leaves my mind in a jumbled mess and it doesn't really help. There's so many great things that people talk about and so many great examples of content creation, especially for, those of us in the boomer generation. And it's kind of scary because we're not as comfortable with social media. In a lot of cases, we're not as comfortable with technology, but the only way you're going to get comfortable with it is doing it over and over and over again. You got to do the reps. Like when I go to the gym, the only way I'm going to get better at something is if I'm doing it over and over again. And it's true. It's like you've just got to take time to build something, and it does take time. And I guess I've used a lot of consuming content as building a foundation, but it really doesn't. It just makes you, you know, feel like you're doing something when you're not. So what you need to do is just pick up your phone and film yourself. Maybe you're not sure exactly what to say. Maybe you're not sure, exactly what your niche is. But you know what I do? I pray. I'm like, God, put the thoughts in my mind, the words in my mouth, and the attitude in my heart. And I have an idea of what I want to say. Sometimes I script it. Sometimes I do an outline. But nothing beats picking up the phone and just recording. And so just do it. And you don't have to post it, but I strongly suggest you do. And also do it on a consistent basis. Um, that's the only way you're going to get good at something. And don't look back and be too judgmental about the videos you've made or the shorts you've made, because you did the best that you could at that time. And you're only going to get better. You're only going to get better if you put in the reps. Don't compare yourself to other creators. Unless you're going to compare yourself to someone who's doing worse, then you'll feel a little better about yourself. Maybe that's what you can do with this video. But I know that this video is better than the first one I made. It's better than the last one I made. It's always, you always want to increase or improve by 1%. That's it with every video. Just pick one thing and improve on it. And even if it's just getting over the fear of picking up your phone or picking up your device and recording yourself, it could be just that. That's fine. Just pick it up, record, even if it's only for a few seconds, and post it. Even if it's only for a few seconds. You don't have to worry about all the millions of people and millions of eyeballs that are going to see it, because they won't. He's probably not for a long time. But you will feel so much better about yourself because you're doing what God created you to do. He created us to create. He created us to be doers, not just listeners and seers. So do it. Pick up your phone, make a video. Let me know how it goes. I hope this helps. Have a great day.